Welcome to TECHLOGICS. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth unboxing and setup guide for the Imou Bullet 2E Outdoor Smart Security Camera. This versatile device is perfect for safeguarding your home, shop, office, garage, or outdoor spaces, whether for roadside entry security, passage monitoring, or general surveillance. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire setup process step by step. We'll start by unboxing the camera and reviewing all the included components. Next, we'll demonstrate how to install the memory card for local storage. Then, we'll guide you through downloading and configuring the mobile app. Finally, we'll show you how to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network for seamless remote access, so you can monitor your space anytime, anywhere. Highlighting the top features of the Imou 2E Outdoor Camera for smart surveillance. The Imou Bullet 2E Outdoor Camera offers exceptional video quality with its 3MP 1296p resolution. This means you'll get crystal clear footage that captures full-color images even in complete darkness, thanks to its night vision that can reach up to 30 meters, 98 feet. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, this camera helps you keep a close eye on your property with sharp and detailed video recordings. It's equipped with intelligent active alarm features that use advanced image processing technology. The camera can quickly detect human movement and send you instant alerts along with a live video feed, so you're always in the know if something's happening. The built-in spotlight activates during these detections to help deter unwelcome visitors, adding an extra layer of security. Designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, this camera has an IP67 rating, making it extremely durable. It can handle extreme temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius, so whether it's stormy, snowy, or blisteringly hot outside, you can count on this camera to perform reliably and keep your property protected year-round. When it comes to connectivity, this camera offers flexible options with both LAN and Wi-Fi, only 2.4 GHz. This makes it easy to set up in any home network, providing reliable remote monitoring. Plus, it supports multiple storage options, including NVR, cloud storage, and SD cards up to 512 GB, so you have plenty of space for your footage. With warranty coverage included, it's a dependable choice for your smart security needs. When you open your camera package, you'll find a variety of components designed to make the setup process as easy as possible. The package includes the fixed lens IR night vision weatherproof camera, a drill template with screws, a user manual, a waterproof connector case, and a DC power adapter. These carefully chosen accessories are intended to streamline the installation, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. With all the essential tools included, setting up a complete surveillance system is simple and hassle-free. Let's walk through the process of inserting the memory card into your Imou camera. While it's a straightforward task, it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your camera operates smoothly and performs at its best. First, make sure to power off your camera before beginning. This precaution helps prevent any potential damage to both the camera and the microSD card during installation. Although it may seem minor, turning off the device helps ensure a safe and trouble-free setup. Next, locate the microSD card slot, usually found on the bottom side of the camera. Using a star head screwdriver, carefully remove the protective case covering the slot. Then, align the microSD card with the orientation indicated by the nearby icons and gently insert it into the slot. For optimal use, a microSD card with up to 256 GB capacity is recommended, allowing you to record approximately 7 to 10 days of footage, depending on your video quality and recording settings, whether continuous or motion-triggered. If you need to remove the card later, simply press it gently to release it and pull it out. Always ensure the card is securely seated to prevent data loss or recording issues. Finally, once the memory card is in place, reattach the protective case and tighten the screws to secure it. To download and install the Imou Lite app, you have a couple of straightforward options to choose from. One method is to scan the QR code provided in your user manual, which will direct you straight to the app page. Alternatively, you can manually search for the app by opening the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. This manual method might be more convenient for those who are already familiar with navigating app stores. Once you have the Play Store open, type Imou Bullet into the search bar at the top. It's important to ensure you find the version of the app developed by Watching Network to avoid any confusion with other similar names. Look for the logo and branding that matches the Imou brand you recognize from your camera package or manual to confirm it's the correct app. After identifying the correct app, tap on it to access its page in the Play Store. Here, you can find reviews, app features, and additional information should you want to learn more. Once you're ready, press the Install button to start downloading the app. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed, but it typically happens quickly. During the installation process, the app may request certain permissions to function optimally, such as access to your location, storage, or camera. Accept these permissions to proceed, as they enable the app to offer features like live camera feeds and local storage integration. The app will automatically download and install onto your device, which generally takes just a few minutes. Once installed, the Imou Bullet icon will appear on your home screen or app drawer, indicating that the app is ready to use. After the app is installed, open it by tapping Open or selecting its icon. If you already have an Imou account, you'll be prompted to log in using your registered phone number or email and your password. This offers a straightforward login process to quickly access your camera's features. However, if you're new to Imou, you'll need to select the registration option to create an account. New users can decide whether to sign up using their email or mobile number, and it's important to select your country for the correct setup and region-specific services. The app will guide you through on-screen prompts to input your necessary information and complete the registration process. This setup ensures that your camera services are tailored to your location and needs. During registration, you'll receive a verification code via email or SMS, depending on the method you chose to sign up. Check your messages for this code and enter it into the app when prompted. You'll also need to create a strong password to secure your account and finalize the setup. This step ensures your account's privacy and protection, allowing only you to access the camera feeds. For added convenience, linking your email or mobile number to your account can simplify future logins. The app might also request permission to enable location services and Bluetooth. These settings can assist with quick camera pairing and ensure smooth operation, making the process of connecting your device as seamless as possible. Upon initial setup of the Imou Bullet app, you'll be prompted to customize your home page and select your preferred live view options. This initial configuration helps tailor your monitoring experience, making it easier to access your devices and efficiently monitor your space. Additionally, for those interested in staying updated, the app offers subscription options to Imou's newsletter for product news and special offers, keeping you connected with the latest developments. To begin adding your Imou Wi-Fi camera to the mobile app, ensure it is properly powered using the DC power adapter included in the package. A stable power connection is essential for the camera to operate correctly during setup, so double-check that everything is securely plugged in. Once connected, give the camera a few moments to boot up, allowing it to establish a connection to both the power source and your network. Initially, the camera will show a red LED light, confirming that it has received power. After a brief moment, the LED will change to green and start flashing. This indicates the camera is ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network. The flashing green light is your signal that the camera is prepared for the next steps in the setup process. Note, make sure the camera is in network connection mode. If it's not, press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. The camera will reboot, and after a few moments, the flashing green light will indicate that it has entered network connection mode and is ready to connect. With the camera in the correct mode, you can proceed by opening the Imou Bullet app on your smartphone or tablet. Follow the prompts within the app to add a new device. During this process, keep your phone, camera, and router close together to ensure a stable connection. Proper positioning near your router and device helps establish a quick, trouble-free connection, making the setup smooth and efficient. When the camera is ready to be paired with the app, open the Imou app and tap on Add Device or the plus symbol icon. When prompted, select Scan QR code. The app will request permissions for location access and camera use. Be sure to grant these permissions to ensure a smooth setup. Position your camera so that its QR code, located on the body of the device, is clearly visible to your phone's camera for easy scanning. Once you scan the QR code, the app will check the camera's LED indicator. Make sure the LED turns green, signaling that the device is ready for network connection. If the LED isn't green, you may need to press and hold the reset button for up to 5 seconds to restore factory settings, then try scanning the QR code again. Next, if prompted, enable location services on your device, as this helps facilitate a smoother connection process. After enabling location services, you will need to select your Wi-Fi network. Choose your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the list. Remember, the camera only supports 2.4 GHz, not 5 GHz. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password, then tap Next. The app will verify the credentials, and once confirmed, the camera will start connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Once the Wi-Fi connection is successfully established, the app will try to connect to the camera's temporary hotspot Wi-Fi network, which is likely named something like TECHLOGICS. Select this network and tap the Connect button. Connecting to this temporary network allows the app to communicate directly with the camera. Once connected, you can continue with linking your camera to your home or office Wi-Fi network to complete the setup. This entire process may take a few moments, as the camera establishes a connection to your Wi-Fi and communicates with Imou's servers in the background. Please remain patient during this step. The setup involves multiple connections and data exchanges. If you encounter any errors or the process fails, simply retry by repeating these steps. Often, attempting the process again will resolve any issues and lead to a successful setup. When the camera is fully connected, the LED indicator will turn into a steady green light, signaling that the device is properly linked to your network. Additionally, the app will display a message stating, "Device added successfully," confirming that your camera is now online and functioning correctly. This is the final step in connecting your device and ensures it's ready for use. During the initial setup, you will be prompted to assign a name to your camera. Choose a name that's easy to remember and recognize, especially if you're installing multiple cameras. You can also select a specific location like living room or front door, which helps keep your devices organized within the app. Proper naming and location setting make managing and monitoring your cameras more straightforward. You can save a copy of the camera's QR code to your phone's memory by tapping the download icon under the Device QR Code option. Saving the QR code as a backup is useful in case you lose the original or if it gets tampered with on the camera later. Having this backup allows you to quickly add or restore the device whenever needed without hassle. Next, tap the Done button in the app to proceed. The app will then prompt you to choose a cloud-based storage option. Initially, a free trial is available, after which you can opt for a subscription plan for ongoing monthly payments. However, since this demonstration focuses on storing footage locally via the microSD card inserted into the camera, cloud storage isn't required. You can simply decide whether to activate this feature based on your preference. If you prefer to skip cloud storage, just tap the Skip button located at the top right corner of the app screen. This allows you to complete the setup without adding additional cloud storage services. You can always enable or configure cloud storage later through the app settings if you decide to use it for remote viewing or extra backup. The app may also prompt you to update the camera password. This password can be useful when integrating your camera with network recorders or other security systems. However, if you'd like to complete the setup first or prefer to do it later, you can simply choose the Later option and update the password at your convenience. Finally, ensure you grant all necessary permissions on your phone, especially for notifications. Allowing notifications will keep you informed of any alerts or activity detected by your camera, making your security system more effective and responsive. Proper permission settings are essential to receive real-time alerts and stay updated on your security status. Once all permissions are granted, your camera is fully ready for use. After completing the initial setup, you can install the camera in your preferred location. To ensure your footage is stored correctly, the first step is to check the status of your microSD card within the Imou app. Open the camera settings, navigate to your device, and select Local Storage. Here, you will see the current status of the card, which helps you determine if it is ready for recording. If the card appears as uninitialized or shows no free space, don't worry. Tap on Storage Medium and choose Format to prepare the card for recording. This process will erase any existing data and make the card ready for use. Once formatted successfully, the status will update to normal, and the available storage capacity will be displayed, confirming that your camera is set up for footage storage. You can also personalize your recording preferences during this setup. Set specific schedules and time slots for recording to optimize storage use and surveillance coverage. Regularly checking the storage status and adjusting your recording settings ensures your camera functions smoothly, and you won't miss any important events or activities. Maintaining these settings helps keep your security system reliable and efficient. To review your recorded footage, go to the Playback option on the home screen and make sure you have selected Local Storage. Since we used an SD card in this demo, choose the local storage icon in the Playback section. A timeline will then appear, allowing you to drag to specific times or use the calendar icon to select dates and set start and end times. This feature makes it easy to locate and watch particular events or periods of footage, giving you better control over your security recordings. By customizing your playback options, you can quickly find important activity and ensure you never miss any critical moments captured on your camera. You can customize all your camera settings through the app, including date and time, recording schedules, image adjustments, motion alerts, Wi-Fi network changes, and camera image rotation. Access these options under the Camera Settings menu to tailor the camera's functionality to your preferences. Additionally, the app provides more advanced settings, such as night vision controls and other configuration options, giving you full control over your camera's performance and features. This helps ensure your security system is optimized for your specific needs and environment. That's everything you need to enjoy live streaming, playback recordings, and full camera controls from anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. No matter where you are in the world, as long as you have an internet connection, either through mobile data or Wi-Fi, you can access your camera anytime and stay connected to your security system. If you found this tutorial helpful, we'd really appreciate your support. Liking, sharing, and subscribing motivate us to keep creating valuable content and resources for our community. Your support encourages us to produce more tutorials, updates, and tips to enhance your security setup. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides and updates.